Hi guys, my name is Sam Campagna and I'm one of the Matakki mentors. I'm here today to talk to you about the Assassin 5.5. Well, first things first, I'm not really used to 5.5s, even though I started my career off in hairdressing many years ago where we used the 5 and 5.5. I've been using a range of 6 and 6.5 in the Matakki range. So this scissor here has really brought me back to the little finer details, the little bits and pieces where you can use the tip and have a little bit more agility within your cutting range. Achieving techniques like chipping in, slicing and texturizing is made easier as the control of your fingers to the tip of the blade is much better. You've got much closer range between your finger and the scissor point. The Assassin range comes as an offset scissor. This is where the top blade is offset to the bottom blade. So this can be ergonomically better. It helps avoid wrist fatigue and long term it helps reduce stress, strain and injury in your wrist. Okay, let's get technical. This is in our 5-star range. So this is Matakki's highest grade scissor. We've got a VG10 Japanese steel. This 5.5 comes in at just 54 grams. Obviously as we get higher the range, the weight increases ever so slightly, but it's still a very light scissor. We've also got our Teflon Rider. Now, this is an absolute game changer in a scissor. So the Teflon Rider is placed on both sides of the blades. This helps with seamless cutting and control throughout the base to the tip of the scissor. This scissor also comes with a fixed Fingerist. Now this helps with maximum comfort. We've also got Convex blades. Now these are absolutely fantastic and will last you the longest if you maintain them. So make sure you look after your scissors and these should last you for 20-25 years. So this scissor also has an exclusive Matakki lifetime warranty. Now, the importance of looking after your scissors and investing in your tools is absolutely fantastic, and you will get absolute maximum use and make the most out of those 20 to 25 years.